Alright guys, so unfortunately Andy's not here today. My boy.
Unfortunately.
Unfortunately, sorry. Alright, so my boy went out to, what was it, Arizona to hang with his family. And well, he lent us his camera and told us to film if we were going to do anything. Well, today, my boy Joseph is painting something like usual.
Always painting something.
And we're about to paint his wheels. What color?
White again.
White. Alright. Well, right now my boy fucking.
By the hydraulics.
There you go. I don't know what to say. But yeah, alright.
I don't know how we're gonna get it up.
Alright, so the car is officially on jack stands. Finally.
Stole it, dude. We're gonna.
Huh?
The chop shop.
I know, huh?
Shit, hot as hell.
We out here fucking breaking the sweat. I don't know if. Is it like all of California is fucking getting this little big ass heat wave? I don't know why, but these past couple of days here in Cali. It's been
cooler today than it was yesterday.
Yeah, that is true. It's been about what, like 115, 110 degrees out here, and it's like musty as fuck outside. Bro, it's not like a fucking like a hot. It's just fucking heat, hot, death. Here you go. There you go. Fucking Satan balls all here. Alright, so my boy Marcel pulled up. What are you doing?
Shit, I forgot you got the camera.
What are you doing?
Some hood ass shit.
Oh. What?
I hate universal wheels. So what you about to do?
Here. Recording already.
It's too updated subscribers. It's too hot for cameras, Leo. That shit's gonna melt.
It's only like 100.
Look at the SD card. It's all melted inside.
Hey Marcel, what are we doing?
Yo mama.
Now for us, what are we doing?
Yo mama.
Now what are we
Cause
doing?
she thick and she got that yak on that back. Hey Joseph, what are we doing?
Your mama.
Alright, so my boy Joseph's painting his wheels. Damn right, that's the color scheme. One pink, one green, one orange, one yellow.
It's just a primer.
No, low key, you should do that though. Like the Spitfire wheels.
The Spitfire wheels? Put Spitfire on them?
Wait, what color you doing?
White. Yeah.
Wait, isn't that the color that
It was before? Yeah.
that they came with,
Yeah.
and then you painted them that one,
That's right.
and then it's going back to this one?
Yep. I don't really used to jerk, I'm done.
That's a way to do it. Just pulled up. Alright guys, look at this.
Oh, you wanna introduce yourself?
True.
Yo, what's up? Brian JZ300 on Instagram. Out here just chilling with the homies. Just doing a little update for Andy. What up, dude?
What up? Whose vlog is this?
What?
It's no. Oh shit.
Yeah.
This you just started.
Yeah, I just started my own YouTube.
Hey, what the fuck? What's on your shirt?
Follow me on or subscribe to me on YouTube. Brian JZ300.
Fuck you. Yes I am.
No, you're not.
About to be.
When?
When I get the license going.
Some nice wheels. Be ashamed if someone threw some lint on them.
He's don't dig it in his pocket.
Or are they dry yet?
That piece of lint, you missed the spot.
Hey Joseph, hold on, let me clean these for you.
Which one? This one? Yeah. Why? You?
What the fuck is this?
Yeah. That is mine.
And he makes
Hey, I just kissed Leo.
it has Henny in lemonade, and I was like,
Alright, Andy, let's get a. Andy should he should get like a picture so he can like freeze it, or get a fucking thumbnail. Thumbnail, basically.
Let me get my hat though.
Oh, yeah, you got it.
I cannot have. Let me get a hat. I like balls. All right.
Pretty good. I got in my pants.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. All right. When you do this one, I'm gonna have to make sure it's on the hook.
It's going down right now.
No, that's still there.
you have blocks of wood?
Why? What happened? I can lift it up back here. Huh? I can lift it up back here.
Oh wait, can you get that one off or no?
No, this side's still floating. I think.
Take it off and go lower. Go lower on that side. On your side. I need a fork.
God damn it. The lower?
Yeah.
Hey, my boy went hovercraft mode.
All right, it's off on this side.
It's off on
Got him stuttering. Let's get a close up for these.
Alright, go ahead.
That's golden.
Demonetized.
Somehow we haven't gotten that yet.
More.
Yeah, they warned us, but
We haven't gotten on that yet?
We'll start recording every video.
but
That's for the first time.
well, who said that? Who said that?
Alright.
Good.
I heard bags.
Thank you, guys. Excuse me.
Joseph has bags.
You can leave right now, Justin.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's just tired.
Here, Joey. Let me get a quick close up.
This could be Joseph, but he's playing. No, Joseph. His wheels are great.
That looks a lot cleaner with the white.
Shine right here?
Yeah, I was just gonna say that. Shine it right to the
Yeah,
front
no,
wheel.
I don't know why. The back, but the back looks like it's not all fucked up. You know how the back looks.
Oh yeah.
They getting your wheel in?
Yeah. I want those shits white. It's already over.
Hey guys, I know we haven't been keeping you guys updated. Yeah, I'm going to Leo's house and we're gonna go put something else in the car. Andy's still not here. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'll show you guys the car when I get there. So this is what it looks like now. I really dig it. I want to thank Brian, Joey, Marcel, Leo, and Jesse for helping me out. Y'all always coming in clutch for me. I appreciate it. As you can see, it's all faded, so what I'm doing today is I bought a chrome piece, some little trim. I'm gonna put it on here and see. It looks nice. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it matches with my door handles. So yeah. So I got this trim right here. It's a R8 double-sided tape. So all I have to do is peel and stick, and it should look pretty good. So there's the trim. It makes a huge difference from that side. Yep. Okay. Alright guys, we're gonna close up the video. Jesse, what are we doing?
Oh, having fun.
Having fun. Oh shit. So yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. I don't know if you guys care or anything, but that's sick. Alright,
My boy, you shy, huh? Just like me.
yeah, I'm shy. Next video will be Andy. See you guys later. Thank you.